Hello, you guys. Thanks for purchasing our intercom helmet Bluetooth headset. In this video, I will show you how to install Hero onto a helmet. First, detach the linings on both sides and the top of the helmet. Then take out the headset magic stickers and stick them on both sides of the helmet. And also take out the microphone magic stickers. Find a suitable position for them to stick, a position close to your mouth. Then we start routing the wires of the headset. Take out the speaker unit, of which the shorter side is installed on the left of the helmet, and the longer side goes on the right side. Also stick the microphone. Tidy up the wires and bury them inside the lining. Only leave a short section of them exposed. Afterwards, we will plug it into the Bluetooth main unit. And now, install our base clamp. And snap our main unit onto it. Also plug the headset into the main unit. And now finished. Above is the introduction to installing Hero onto the helmet. If you have any further inquiries about the product, please feel free to contact customer service.